Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Kia Sportage S. This vehicle is offered by Lou Fusz KIA in St. Louis, Missouri with a sticker price of $28,160. For additional information or to set up a test drive, contact Josh. His contact information is below. As we walk around the vehicle, you got a great look at the profile, the driver's side, and we move around the back. You can see the Optima badging. You can also see it has a rear wiper blade, rear spoiler. As we move down the passenger side of the vehicle, you got a great look at the 18-inch alloy wheels, the power heated side mirrors with LED turn signals. Here we got a greater look at the disc brakes as well as the 18-inch wheels. And we slide around to the front of the vehicle. You gotta love the styling that Kia has with their headlights. This vehicle has the high beam assist, LED daytime running lights. We also have projector fog lamps, roof rails. This vehicle is equipped with lane keeping assist, electronic stability control, traction control, anti-lock brakes. Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and check out the link below, FindTheBestCarPrice.com. It's a fantastic website that will allow you, the consumer, the luxury of getting all the information. You can sort it by month or by manufacturer. You can also break it down a little deeper and get the best lease deals, the best financing, the best car price, the best price of a vehicle under $20,000. So there's a lot of ways you can slice it and dice it. But one of the things that I've learned over the years is a confused mind never says yes. A confused mind never buys. So the more information that we can provide consumers, the better off they are and the better off we are. And car dealers, salespeople will benefit from it just as much as the individual looking for a vehicle. So let's jump back to the vehicle video that we're shooting right now and enjoy the rest of that. But again, FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Thanks again. Let's dive into the interior. We have 60/40 split fold-down rear seats with a rear armrest that's also rear reclining seats. As we move around to the driver and passenger area, we can see the leather-wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls. It is a tilt telescoping steering wheel. Here we got a great look at the center stack with an 8-inch touchscreen. We'll talk more about that in a moment as we back out. So here we have a great look at the rear compartment. Looking forward, we see the rear power control, the 12-volt power control. Get a great shot of the dash from door to door. Again, you can see the steering wheel with the fingertip controls. We'll show more of that in a moment. The center stack. Really a nice equipped vehicle. Got a great look at the stitching on the front driver and passenger seat. So we have power windows, power side mirrors. Here we got another look at the stitching on the driver's seat. As we move over to the passenger, we have driver attention warning, forward collision, downhill brake, hill start, rear cross traffic collision. There's the fingertip controls for the steering wheel. So here we can see the power windows, power side mirrors. Get a great look at the instrument cluster for the driver, as well as the leather-wrapped steering wheel and fingertip controls. So the seats are Sofano synthetic leather trim seats. Here we see the 8-inch touchscreen with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, AM/FM, MP3, 160-watt 6-speaker stereo system. We have a rear backup camera, Bluetooth wireless controls, driver mode select with 4 modes, tilt telescoping steering wheel. We already spoke about that. Here we punch through the functionality of the entertainment system. There you can see the rear backup camera. Additional power ports for the driver and passenger, 212 volt as well as USB. Nice deep center console, as well as a glove box with the owner's manual. Another great look at the fingertip controls for the steering wheel. So you can control your phone, your stereo, the various modes on your stereo, cruise control. So here we take a look at the rear compartment. We have 30.7 cubic feet with the second row up, 60 cubic feet with the second row down. We also have dual level cargo floor, so you can, when you have the rear seats down, you can adjust the cargo level of the floor. We have a luggage compartment underneath, as you can see there. Plenty of storage. As we button up the back and we move around to the engine. So the engine is a 2.4 liter GDI, which stands for gas direct injection 4-cylinder engine, producing 181 horsepower, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission, 23 miles city, 30 highway. Thanks again for watching.